If you're gonna play a song, at least make it funny.
That's not like action.
Yo.
Nice.
What happened?
Now give me the AR.
No, I'm taking that. Get out of my face.
I killed the guy. Give me the AR.
I killed it.
Well, why are you landing there? What even happened?
Yes, I did.
You killed the guys in the mythic already?
Yeah.
Give me the guy's shotgun, yeah. Let me use the guy's shotgun.
Oscar shotgun. They're not there.
Let me get it, let me
The
get
worst loot, man.
You can have the-
The
you-
worst loot.
Let me have the
Why did it
Oscar.
even drop a crown? What the hell?
Let me take the Oscar, let me take the Oscars.
Say what I had. No, I didn't.
What the hell? I just saw a crown now.
Yo, let me take the Oscars, let me take the Oscars.
I'm taking Oscars. What are you on about?
No.
Guys, I need to complete a
Whoever
bounty.
kills it gets to take us. That's simple.
I'll trade him.
Come now, we are not there.
Bro, why do I always have to get these garbage guns? Always bring me carry spawn.
I'll fight him.
They're still really bad. Can't believe this.
Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna die to you guys. I'm actually dying to you guys.
This guy is radical.
I tried not killing him.
I'm actually dead.
I killed it. Wallah, I killed it. Wallah, I did not kill it.
Let me take the Oscars friendly.
Allah, I can't let him see me. I'm literally on it.
Yeah. Yasin, I'm letting you die.
Mala, Sonic Grizzly.
No. Go!
Please. Mala, Sonic
Drop the Oscar, he has the Oscar,
No, Sonic, let him die. Don't rep Yasin. Don't rep
I'm
Yasin.
leaving the game, Sonic Grizzly.
Don't rest.
Don't rep Yasin. Don't rep Yasin.
I'll give me a
Yeah, Mala, rest me. Yasin doesn't. Mala, rest me.
Mala, I killed it.
No, Wallah, I killed it.
I haven't recorded it. Shut your mouth.
Drop the Oscar.
Mala, rest me. I don't have it. Rest me. Mala,
Say
Mala,
wallahi don't have it. Say wallahi don't have it.
Wallah, I don't
I
have it.
I'm gonna lose my car, but like,
Yasin, do you have it?
I don't know about
Yasin has it.
I do have it, man.
I'm not
I'm gonna lose my car. Man, I can't lose my car.